itinerary for today is first,
na kayo lang ang
magsisimba,
nakakaalam kapag sabay kayong
and then
mas
after
malalim ang
that,
koneksyon tumitibay ang puso,
breakfast
Trend
is,
Max,
then
at Kinko Biluba
check in po kami sa Marriott Manila for a night. We have an extended celebration, and then
Please say
the next day, kaya ba tayo alis sa province? June 3?
Wednesday. Yeah.
June 3 is province naman.
So, tapos na po siyang ipa-bless yung motor doon. Then, we'll go ahead. Oh, may parking lot. This is something new. I don't know about this before.
Saka dapat pagsamahin na lang kung meron.
Breakfast na po kami. Uwi, then breakfast.
Ito pa ang aking ninang. Ito pa ang aking ninong. Pa-bless.
Kasi pa dyan, yung buo yung
Yun.
pero pag nagkatubili ka pa, hindi.
Guys, this is the pandesal that is very famous in the Philippines. It's bread. Traditional bread that we have it for breakfast. Hello everyone. So we're back on our one-night staycation at Marriott Manila Newport. We have a lot of stuff because we have an infant on board. Yan po si Ramsamsam. Ramsamsam. Sightseeing po siya dyan.
Ito pong salamin ko. Kinukuha ni Madam. Gamit na gamit niya. Maghapon, magdamag. Kukunin ko yan. Dadalhin ko sa Europe.
Nakakamot ko sa...
This is my taxi.
Ito ba yun?
May security guard.
Si Ian. Uy, mama, nakasalamin ka sa loob.
Itat mo yung ano, kaysa din.
Hello everyone, we are in Marriott Newport Hotel. And I think I told that so many times already. So we're just staying here for one night. And a while ago, me and my sister went around the place for us to know where is the pool and gym located. Now we're heading out to have a quick dip with my nephew, Baby Kai. So here's our room. I booked for 2 rooms adjacent to each other. My mom and dad will be staying in another room, and then me, my sister, and my brother will be staying here. But I think mom, dad, and Ian will be there, and then me, my sister, and Baby Kai will be here. And they also did a lot of good things for us, and thank you, Marriott, for that. So here's a view from our room. We have a city view over there. See, it will be probably very nice at night. And then we have this. I think this is just some greeneries. I think it's a golf area. I'm not so sure about it. But see, isn't it nice? Isn't it amazing? And I can hear very clear my nephew. Hi, Baby Kai. Why are you shouting? Huh? Huh? I can see you. No, I can hear you from that room, huh? Why are you shouting, huh? Alligator. Ang cute mo naman dyan. Hindi ka sasama yan? Hindi ka mag-gym? We're heading for food with baby Kai Kai and ang kanyang salvavida. Say hello, baby Kai Kai. Wala tayo sa Dasma, oy. Sa ano tayo? Amaze na ibig show. Pakita mo sa baba. Pakita mo sa baba. Oh. Good. Ayan po siya. My sister, my mom, and Ian to.
Yan na yun.
Okay. Video, video. Saan mo ilagay? Ian, di ko na mabidyohan. Diyan, dito ka lang. Oy!
Wow! Wow!
Oh. Yahoo!
Dito bebe, hawak tayo dito. Hawak daw. Hawak tayo dyan. Ayun.
Yahoo!
Ang gabing ngiti ni Papa, kita yung 32 na ano.
Ka nga. Maglap ka. Swimming, 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 swimming. We're here in the jacuzzi room. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Super sarap. Iniwan namin si baby. Dapat pala nagdala ko ng isang ano. Tingka doon. Dapat ito kayo nag-stretch. Ayun o. Stretch up.
May mura na sana ng ano mo. Magkano sa nga to?
Secret!
Ako dito, ano?
Maganda tayo. Itaas natin para tayo thumbs up. Isa pa lang. Thumbs up. One. Thumbs up! Uy! Si Baby Kai Kai. Pagod na pagod. Grabe ang sipa ng kanyang paa. May sipa-sipaan.
Sandali lang din.
May kagat-kagatan. We are here in what is this one? Newport Mall. We will eat here. Kasi katabi lang siya ng Marriott Manila. And then I am craving for Asian cuisine. Filipino native restaurant. And tomorrow, what we will have is a buffet lunch in Marriott Cafe. So we are here in Thai restaurant, Crustacea. And we're just waiting for our order.
Ano ba yan?
Try it. Chia.
Bili din ako.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
At si Leia ay nandikuya. Akala ko may kakanta, sa ano ka natin.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay, puto. Gago! Sabi ko wag eh. Ayoko pagpalit ko eh. Sabi ko, bibili. Wala ka.
Iyak ka rin kakaya ko.
Wala ka.
Kailangan mo
Wala ka.
buksan.
Mag-iPhone na talaga ako.
Hoy, di ba yan marami pinamumuksan? O, ikaw
Paano to?
bukas yan.
Paano mo buksan to?
Ayan, tama, tama.
Bigyan mo na sa akin yung cellphone mo.
Ayan o, yan, yan.
Ganda rin ba yun?
Serve naman, anak.
Ay, Boxy.
Bakit? Ba't kayo bumili?
Siyempre, birthday.
Ilang kadami kamahal kasi hindi kami bili. Yun nga.
Uy, ano kang teteng oh? Ano to? Akala ko top silog yun nasa loob eh. Uy, laki. Wala ka. Hello?
Uy!
Hello?
Uy!
Ano mo buksan?
Ano? Oh. Oh.
Bakit ka? Bakit ka?
May iPhone ka na talaga. Totoo na yan, nak. Totoo na yan.
Oh.
Baka ano to? Ano eh? My
It's a
phone.
prank.
My phone. Totoo ba?
Oo naman. Ikaw na lang bumili ng charger.
Kaya yung ano eh, pinamataas eh.
Ikaw naman.
Uy, thank you very much. Salamat.
Uy, iPhone na siya.
Ano ba to?
Bili ng iPhone.
Morning. Kakagising ko lang. Gumising ako ng papatsi-patsi. Kasi ang ingay ng aming alaga. Naging dragon po siya kagabi. Nagpaset ako ng alarm. Pero, maulap. Parang maulan-ulan. Andyan na yung araw. Tingnan ko sila. Kay.
Imamay ko ito.
Tata. Nagigigil ka. Parehas pa kami ang bukado dyan. Tata. Sige na Tata. Gilising mo ko ilang beses eh. Kumain na ba ka? Ano yan?
Ha?
Post yan eh.
Kaya mo ang caption dito sa lahat.
Story.
Hindi, siya release ito eh. Mamaya.
Ano? Anong pet mo Ayan eh. Hello, we already checked out. So, magkakaroon po kami ng... we will have brunch here in Marriott Cafe. They have this Monday markdown buffet. So their regular buffet is 40,500 per person, but during Monday they have this special promo of 1,800 per person. So just in time that we check out, so I booked a buffet for us. Si baby waiting for high chair. So they have seafood here. And then, oh my god, some salmon, cheese, fresh fruits, and pastries over there. They have sushi station and tempura. And then here is smash burger. Sarap, nilagang baka. Baby. Baby Kai. Ang ingay po niya. Sa kabila, left. Tuwang-tuwa pa tong tumaing to. Katiri. Oh, at dahil dyan, father, mother, makinig kayo. At dahil dyan, oh, sige. Madam. At dahil dyan, oh.
Meron pa rin?
Meron pa din yan, syempre. Oh, eto lang disclaimer lang, uuwi ng probinsya. Gusto ko, makita ko pa rin, may tira pa dyan Pag yan, walang tira. Ano? 11 sa'yo? Akala niyo matatasan siya. Ano? Hello. So we're heading home. And it is very rainy outside. It's just a one-night stay, but it was so nice. It was so worth it. At least it didn't rain like this yesterday, so we're still able to enjoy the pool and stuff. But we literally didn't went out because the mall is just beside Mario. So when we had dinner, we just went to Newport Mall and looked for an Asian restaurant. So fun. Uwi na po siya. Hindi pa siya pwede mushroom soup. Kaso, pinagkamala po siyang 1-year-old na. Pero, 8 months old pala. Hello. So, today, our agenda is my optal makeup appointment. Yeah, for my eyes. And then we will just buy some item and buy my glasses afterwards. And then buy some items also for my partner. Tomorrow we have we will be traveling tomorrow to our province. And my friend Ruth and Andy, and there's another one who will be joining us. Unfortunately, they won't be able to join us in Baguio's and they will only just stay in La Union. Hello everyone. We are here in SM Molino together with my brother. I finished my optal checkup and I went here to have a new frame so that at least I will look better. Now we're heading to Cyberzone to get a screen protector and phone case. Here you go! Lemon. First and original. Freshly squeezed lemon.
Ay, tingin tayo dyan ng ano.
With my brother.
May glossy naman yan, sir. Kaya mo nang mat.
Saan to?
Yan.
Yung ito?
May glossy yan.
Ito yung bago ngayon, no?
Oo.